I mean, you already know they're gonna do it. So I mean, there's no point trying to fight against it. Really, you know they're gonna do it. So just try to be on the bullish side for the most part, and don't necessarily try to get tricked in the shorts. Honestly, I ain't taking man. Motherfucking bears, bastards, can't freaking just finish their damn move and let's get on with the damn thing. So fucking weak. Uh-oh. I have to look at that. Mm. Yeah, because you already know. You saw that shit. Mm. Hmm. I think I did that already. Like 85, 85. Hmm. Hmm. Shit. Man, I just hate catching up on work, man. Just hate catching up on it. Hey, what's up, Knife Art? What's up? Uh, I was looking at uh right now. I was looking at a range between 170 and 175. If we see a rejection at like 155, 160, I think that would be like a slight pullback. But we probably might see like a rejection at like 170, 175. And then after that rejection, we'll probably see the bulls buy it up. Or we can see price run that level, tap all-time highs, because we all know the ES doesn't just run highs. And the ES plays that game with supply and demand, so it's not going to run through it without any price action. So we first got to see how the market's going to react. I think the all-time high on the ES is 183. So we got to see how it first reacts there. And then if it pushes past all-time highs, it'll probably push further, to be completely honest. I'll probably push further. Hmm.
What up, bro?
Hey, what's up, man? How you been?
I've been good. You sound like you done been through it though.
Why does everybody say like, yo, uh, my daughter's mom said the same thing. No, I just been thinking, man, because I mean, I was kind of pissed off about today, because yo, I meant what I said. Like, dude, saying the word blasphemous or saying the word bear is blasphemous, dude. Like, that shit is blasphemous now. Like, I
Yo,
hate bears, dude. I hate them.
I've been talking in the Think with Bookmap chat, and Alfred came in and was like, he was like, "Who is this person? Who is Barry's president?" And I was like, "He's gone." He said he only comes out in crisis situation in the market. That's the only time I'm sure to get. It's gonna be a crisis. I gotta foresee at least 100-point drop minimum in order for me to take the short. Because I'm long, baby. I long the high. Stayed in on that little pullback. I'm like, nah, this ain't dropping. Not here. 279 is my entry. And 3 cons.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a
Couple.
pullback, man. I'm waiting for a
Yeah, I had to pull
pullback.
back. I had to pull back. It's time to go. To pull back. Everybody in the chat was like, yeah, we going down to whatever 650. I think it was saying 55. I'm like, maybe a VWAP touch, maybe that, but nah.
I'll probably never get that screenshot ever fucking again. So,
What screen?
uh, so for whatever reason, so I pulled up YouTube, and uh, I was watching Patrick Whelan's stream earlier today, because they was talking about he quote unquote got squatted or whatever, right? And for whatever reason, his little thumbnail, like my video got recommended in his thumbnail for whatever reason. I was about to take a picture with it and it switched. I was like, what?
Oh, dang.
Yeah, I was like, I'll probably never get that picture again. So I was like, fuck. But yeah, dude, I think we get a pullback, man. I think we can probably see like 95 or something, 300. We'll get the pullback, and then we should see it run. That's just my assumption, at least for right now.
Yeah, I can see that. I mean, I'm going for 320, but I can see that happening.
Yeah, like 320. Yeah, shit. Hey, for those that showed up at the NA meeting, we caught the top yesterday on our NA meeting. Excuse me, we caught the damn top as always. Uh, I don't know. Like yesterday was just weird. Like it hit 320 on the MNQ, but it hit 319 and 3/4 on the full mini Nasdaq, missing my target by a tick. You know how I feel about that.
That is like the worst feeling.
You know how I feel about that shit, bro.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Yeah, it is, bro. Like, what the hell? Like Nasdaq was like, dude, Nasdaq. I don't know, man. She was like, you haven't, I haven't received a sacrifice from you. You've been very successful lately. Where's that sacrifice at? Where's this?
She will call on it like roll call too. Chris said, haven't seen you go tilt in a while.
You getting a couple payouts? I haven't received a an offering, an account offering. 375. Oh yeah, she took one of my dude. I don't even know how the fuck she did it, dude. I really don't. I really don't. I like, dude, we started off so good this morning. And yeah, that account that that's why, dude, yeah, saying the word blasphemous in this chat. So I hate bears. Bears went to exactly the level I needed. So y'all guys know that I was down like 7K this morning in one of those accounts. And I had an opportunity to break even if the Bulls were able to get to 245. But these stupid rainbow bears were so freaking aggressive that I wasn't able to get that. I was halfway there. Rainbow bears took that away from me. And they broke structure to the downside. So I was like, fine, I'll go short. Fine. So I'm up 6K going short. We get down to this level right here where I got this red box drawn from Friday's session. We get down here. Dude, it didn't even give me a chance to even take profits, man. This shit just touched this level and super bounced. I was like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Dang.
Bears. Bears. Because we got halfway there. They dropped it. They broke structure. So I'm thinking, okay, they're going to probably drop it some more. But no. They fucking Bears, man. God. Taking away my glory. So yeah, that account has been successfully sacrificed. That account is gone. That shit is gone. I don't even, like I said, I don't even know how the hell I did it. I really don't.
Man, let me take this here because well, let's see what happens with this because it could drop here, but uh,
140 and 115.
300. I'm like, nah. Give me 310. I could understand a 310 drop. I could understand that. 310, 318.
Freaking Bears. Okay, so I got that done. Yeah, my bad. And then I gotta get this homework done. Uh, I will say that this collecting this data on the Nasdaq has made trading her a lot easier. I'm starting to see obviously a lot of patterns with her price action. Um, a lot of patterns with her price action, which now I'm a lot more confident in trading her and getting in and out of positions at the bottoms and tops now. I mean, we could. I mean, dude. I mean, I know everybody's probably just shooting for 300, but she know that she doesn't do it the first time. And then you still got to remember that we got that drop at 320, and they could be trying to rebalance that area a little bit. Actually, I'm just only going to take the Nasdaq. I really don't care for the ES. The ES is super easy to trade. I don't need to collect no data on no ES.
Yo, input price.
270, I mean 270 and 300. 222, 300, and then 350, 375, 22, 350. So have you passed your trading account?
Which one?
or whichever one. I don't know. Whichever one. I didn't know you had two.
I had, I don't know how many I had.
Hmm.
I've actually just been sitting back and kind of just watching the market
Hmm.
at work a little bit. Um, and yeah, I can understand your pain from what I've been seeing.
Yeah.
Output, input. Okay.
You got a new mic? You sound a lot better. You got a new mic?
Does it sound better?
Yeah. Well, I mean, it sounds very crispy.
Oh, okay. Well, I switched it. I'm trying to get it to match in Discord. Um, no, it's my same mic. Well, I was talking, I guess you were hearing me through my headphones since they got speakers in my headphones, but I switched it to the mic. So I've been trying to figure that out, I guess, for a couple months now. Because every time I switch it over,
Hmm.
you could hear me, but I wouldn't be able to hear you through the headphones.
Uh,
But I figured it out. Of course, you're gonna try to drop here. I don't know if it's real though. Let me look at ES.
bullish range.
Dang, yeah. ES still ain't got this this level.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, yeah, man, dude, I can't do it with the ES. Honestly, I can't take her serious. She don't take her own self
what,
seriously.
what have you've been strictly
In Nasdaq.
uh, minis? Because Brianna was like, yeah, I mean, if Sherman's been trading micros, I'm like, man, I think he left that train a long time ago.
Hell yeah.
I'm like, he was doing good. He was doing real well in NQ micros. But I'm like, yeah, he gave that up, went to ES, was doing well in that too, and then he's just got fed up with ES, I guess, and then back to uh back to minis,
Back to my home, back to
back
where we
to the
started.
beginning.
They say life is a circle, right? Life is a
Came full
circle.
circle.
I'm going back to after I took my talents to ES. Now I'm going back home. I'm going back home.
I'm like, don't worry. NQ will do something to piss him off. He'll be back to he'll be back to either micros or ES, one of the two. I give it, NQ. She she invokes those emotions, so
Dude, she did it today,
Ah,
dude. Like, what the like, man, I never been. I really don't know how. Like, I'm still just thinking, like, damn, how the hell she do that to me? Like, how the hell did I lose 10? Like, dude, that account is gone. Like, how? I was like, how?
yeah.
How? Uh, how? Like, how do you do that? I was like, dude, like my trading was immaculate. How the hell did you take that account away from me? And she found a way. Oh my god, she found a way.
It was an eval or funded? How many funded you got?
I got
What
like,
you working with right now?
man, I got like about like 3 right now, about 2 in just I mean if I blow them, I got 2 in reserve and yeah, 26 point pounds. All right. I got to make sure that my bad. I'm kind of inputting this data as I'm trying to talk as well. Yeah, because for those that want to know, the Nasdaq started off the session moving 115 points to the upside. We then saw a 217-point move to the downside, and at the end of the day, where these bears, these quitters, gave it up, and we saw a 146-point bounce going into the close. So Man, the Nasdaq was moving today. Moving. You may, I mean, shit. There is really no reason to have not made money today, really, because she was moving on both sides of the market today.
Well, shoot, yeah, I was looking at it. I was like, man, um, market open or just before market open, like, dang, like you got me in Q. I would have taken the bait for that short. I mean, I was surprised that it kind of continued through. Usually at the open,
Mm-hmm.
that big drop, that 47-point drop came at 8:25. So 5 minutes before the open, it drops nearly 50 point, or depending on what frame you're looking at.
Mm-hmm.
They got a 5 minute closeout, almost 50 points. And then you get the open, tries to pump a little bit, but yeah, that was all she wrote. But that setup was immaculate.
Yeah, that was super.
Beforehand.
Yeah, it was super good, man. I mean, why can't we get this price action when I'm trading on tilt and trading in pre-market?
I don't want to, you know what? I don't want this thing to drop on me.
I mean, I think it does pull back. So it's very interesting because this price action looks very similar to this. It looks very similar to this right here. But like I said, I highly doubt that we'll get like a real continuation. We'll probably get a pullback back to like the 50. Like I'm getting in where obviously they broke structure last night. They came in, the Bears failed to pull they failed right here. I mean, I went short at 245 at the end of the day yesterday for a quick scalp right here, but you can see that they failed to hold it and price zoom back up. So I'm betting on a retest of at least that level. And then once we get a push or a retest of that level, we should see a test of 320, potentially further, in my opinion. 450 is all-time highs. So, I mean, the question is, are we touching all-time highs? That's the question.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, we're right there, dude. 450.
450, you say?
I think we're going to probably get to 400 and then drop. Well, I think that's what we're going to get. Because I
Super
really don't
drop.
think the market wants to touch all-time highs, man. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I was actually looking at a monthly,
Mm-hmm.
um, monthly chart just to see. I got 425 as the high.
425.
Unless it, when did it do that?
That did a
December
16th.
2nd.
Oh, he said 425 as a high.
Yeah, 425.
He said December 2nd. I
do
got
it?
it like December 16th ish, 17th. December 17th, it made a high of 426. And on December 15th, it made a high at 450. Are you looking at the continuous contract or the March contract?
Yeah, continuous.
Oh, yeah.
I only do continuous.
Yeah, so I think we're going to probably get to like 400, 405 probably, and then we're going to see like a drop. I really
Yeah,
don't think they take all-time highs out, man. I just don't think they do. And you got this range 320.
well, right now I'm just going off pivots because, I mean, we got some history, but I mean, I guess, yeah, that 400. I'm pretty sure you're right. We get in that area, maybe if it breaks all-time highs, goes like 450 or something, and then we're gonna see a super drop.
Yeah.
Probably.
Oh shit, I can be making some money on gold. No, I forgot about gold. Oh shit.
Did she pump?
Nah, she's
Did she
dropping.
drop?
Nah, she's dropping. I told myself that, you know what, man? I'm taking it, man. Fuck it. I'm taking that shit. Taking it. Make sure I'm in the right account.
Pull back to go higher, baby. She gonna crack 3K.
Oh no, is she back to all-time highs? Is this all-time highs for her?
I don't know. I ain't looked at a gold chart to be honest. You know, she's
Banned.
banished. She's banished to the shadow realm for the rest of 2025.
What'd she do?
CL just got back on my chart, so
Did she really?
yeah. Dang, silver. What a yo. Okay, I get it. I understand it now. I see why you did it, but dang, super dump on silver.
Is it? I mean, we got some inflationary data tomorrow, so I mean, should that mean something?
For the commodities, what we got? I ain't really been paying attention to news at all, to be honest. I've just been watching the charts.
Oh, really?
Trump say tariff again, and Trump
Yeah.
25% tariffs on automobiles, pharmaceuticals. Yeah.
I think like the latest Trump tariff news is that he wants to implement reciprocal tariffs, meaning that whatever the country is charging the United States, they will charge that country. He
It makes
wants to
sense.
go ahead.
I said that makes sense. I mean, in his mind, he said everybody else hasn't been playing fair, so he wants to make everything fair.
Honestly, how did we even get to that point? I mean, how do we get to a point to where another country is cheating us or I don't want to say cheat, but taking advantage of the United States in terms of tariffs and imports and exports and stuff like that, and we're taking it. Like, how did it even get to that point? Who implemented that crap?
No, I got to that. You know exactly how we got to that. Nobody, I mean, what I feel like, my opinion, they've been playing this game, collecting, doing their insider trading, making millions.
Mm-hmm.
And, Congress, these people got salaries of like 200K a year, 180, and yet they're worth they're worth millions. It's like, okay.
$1 trillion mansions.
Yeah. And they just been chilling like that. And now that people trying to call them out on their BS, it's like, oh no, he must be stopped. They're tyrants. Yeah, because it's effing up your bag.
Dude, someone did a very interesting video. Now, I want to be very clear. This is all allegedly. But someone did a very interesting video that once what's his name? Elon was doing Doge and doing background checks and audits and whatever. They were saying that so many houses went up for listing in the Washington D.C. area.
Yeah, I saw that.
You saw that?
I saw the post. I didn't verify myself though. I didn't go. I was gonna go on Zillow and look at it. I saw the post. I started laughing. I was like, damn, you ain't never seen a Zillow map that full before.
Yeah, I thought it was
Yeah.
interesting. Huh? You can't afford them houses no more, huh?
I want to cash out. But hey, ain't that something else? The who was it? What department was she on? She just resigned. The Social Security head
Mm,
of the Social Security
mm-hmm.
Administration
Yep.
for like 30 years or whatever. She resigned because oh, you got people living to be 350 years old. They're still on Social Security.
Yeah, they're on Social Security, all right.
Like what?
Yeah, somebody else is collecting that damn money. Yeah, you're right.
Exactly. They laundering that money into all their accounts. And it's like, bro, what?
Mm-hmm.
They the first ones. No, he's got to be stopped. Nobody voted for him to do this. Like, what? Make it make sense. Why you so? That's a good thing. He's finding there shouldn't be nobody that's 200, 300 years old just
So,
collecting money.
mm-hmm.
Where's the money going?
Yeah, dude. I like, okay, so this is a trend that like I don't know what it is. I mean, so here's the one thing that I am happy about, that we're out of this whole um politically correct era. I'm so glad that we're past that now. I mean, yeah, I'm so glad we're past that, because here's what I continuously see. They use female or members of a quote unquote vulnerable community. So if you attack them, they can say that, oh, you're a bigot or you're a misogynist or whatever words they want to use to attack you. And I watched this interview, and many of you have probably seen this as well, where the guy was telling the woman where it's like, yeah, it's like that all that stuff is fraud, and here she comes trying to gaslight him in the audience. It's like, no, that's not fraud, blah 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 blah, and, and gaslight and actually try to redirect the conversation and make it more an emotional conversation instead of keeping it on track. I'm just glad that the guy brought it back and said, well, what would you call it? What would you call that? I mean, that's obviously fraud, right? I mean, obviously he put it in examples like, if I did that to you, what would you call it? And obviously they shut the hell up. It's just, I'm just so, you get so tired of the gaslighting. You get so tired of the blatant lies, the backpedaling, the, oh, Biden is at the top of his game, and then turn around and say, oh, well, yeah, he was actually been suffering from dementia, or Harris is actually the worst presidential candidate to, oh my God, she's the next best thing since sliced bread, and Obama on top of it. So it's like you get kind of tired of it. There's
Yeah.
no authenticity in anything anymore. It's just a bunch of blah, 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 blah. And what you said, this is how it made me feel. I mean, that's all everything is for whatever reason now. You just get tired of it.
Yeah. Yep. I was about to
Mm.
say, oh, you sign up for the comp?
Yeah, I did. I thought about
Okay.
what you
Yeah.
said. I thought about it.
What's that?
And said how he's gonna be number one. There is
I'm about
something in the
to be
rules that say that if two people are number one, I was like, okay, that's all I need to see.
I'm gonna be number one, baby. And Brianna's in.
Oh,
So
is
I'm
she too?
trading two. I'm
Oh,
trading.
she's it too.
Increase, boost my chances. Like he hasn't learned his lesson. Let me reach
Nope.
out this top step. You forfeited the prize money because y'all both in the same household.
What's up, G Griff? This is a actually this is a, dang, I didn't know that. This is a range chart. I got this on a range chart. I didn't know that. Huh. I didn't know
Your
that.
gold charts on a range chart.
Yeah, I didn't know that. Let me see how
I
this
mean,
should,
I'm
how this would look with a tick chart.
mad you low key just hopped in there and then it's up. I'm sitting in. I closed my NQ position because I don't got time for the foolishness.
Mm.
Let me find another something that looks like it's gonna go.
Hold on, what the hell? Like, dude, this is totally different. Like, hold on. So this is a tick chart, a chart that I would normally trade on, and this is the range chart. So I guess a range chart is really good with gold then, because that's clean. It's totally different.
Oh yeah, that looks super different.
Yeah, it's clean. Like it's like, dude, if you was in this, I mean, there was no debate that this shit was up, but then you look on a tick chart.
That touched the R1 beautifully and then dropped.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, gold is very like, dude, gold is very precise. Like I said, if you ain't a gold trader, take her in this sim, get to know her. Take her out to dinner. Get to know her.
Get to know her. Now watch. I say I'm out. Watch this thing pump.
No, you probably good, bro, because because like I said, I think this thing comes back down. It comes back down to test this trend line. It has to, because I mean, you got to break a structure right here. I mean, this thing has to come back down and allow more buyers to jump into this thing right here. And then we can potentially see the market begin to trend up on this trend line. I do think probably like 350, 360 might be like a high, like a temporary high, and we might see a move back down. But I gotta make 5K tomorrow. I gotta make 5K in
why
tomorrow.
you gotta make 5K?
Because the Nasdaq was really nasty to me yesterday. I gotta make 5K to get that shit back. Shit. Shit was nasty to me. You know I ain't close that. I mean, shit, when you're up 6K, you ain't gonna close that shit. You're gonna keep moving your stop back. And that's exactly what I did until I said fine and went home. You're not gonna take that shit off.
Wow.
Cause you know how fast that shit was. Like, man, that shit was super fast. Like, I mean, on the chart, if you look at it now, you'd be like, I mean, that looks regular, but that shit was fast. Like, this was like literally like 2 seconds. So this thing, like 13, 108. Nah, it was not no damn. No, it didn't feel like that, because it felt like as soon as this thing tapped into it, it bounced up, tapped into it one last time, and then it ran away. That's what. Nah, it's saying that shit happened in a. So what? 8. So 21. So what is that? 11. 8, 10. 13 minutes. A 13-minute time frame. I guess 13 minutes does feel fast when you trade in the Nasdaq. I guess, and maybe it does feel like a second.
Yeah. You're just sitting in that thing like, oh my gosh, it's still going. Does MFF let you trade MBT?
Yeah, but only like a contract or something, like one or some shit like that.
Oh, yeah, that's weak. They know better.
You know, I actually deleted Bitcoin off my chart. Actually, as crazy as
What?
that sound.
Blasphemy.
Yeah, I deleted it because honestly, I love trading Bitcoin, but I need to focus on the Nasdaq and the ES. And Bitcoin is just a distraction. And then I never trade it anyway, because when I do look at it, the setup ain't there. I'm gonna take this on gold. I'm taking it. I'm gonna take that on gold. I'm taking it. All right. So I'm up $900 on this gold trade. I'll take it. Like I said, I don't trade gold, so I'm not gonna sit here and let her play with my emotions.
What I tell you? As soon as I close, she look like she wanna. Okay, let's go for the highs now. Although it ain't really doing nothing, so I'm trying to look for something else.
You know, as soon as you said something about the whole Social Security chief resigning, a video just popped up about it in my feed.
Funny. That's
Yeah.
funny. Listening.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So yeah, that's interesting. Yeah. So if that whole post about the DC homes going up for sale is true, yeah, I wonder what they're gonna do now that I mean, I think the government makes so much money and it's so lax. It's a lax work environment. Honestly, I'm surprised. Well, I mean, if people at the top are also doing it, well, obviously the people at the bottom is going to do it as well. I mean, it's so lax. I mean, they throw money at everything. They don't even like they sit here and say that they bid for the lowest bidder, but they just bid for whoever they like and whatever they charge, they'll pay it. And so, I mean, fraud when it comes to government and stuff like that is it's kind of easy because of how lax the environment is. So I'm not surprised, honestly. And especially if you're at the head, there's no oversight, there's no audits. Why not? Hey, this person's been collecting freaking Social Security for 350 years. Why not? If you let something like that slip, yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's super inefficient.
Mm-hmm.
Checks and balances. Saw some posts that they were like, "Yeah, we about to start auditing the IRS." I was like, "Oh shoot!" And I'm still waiting on Trump to be like, "Yeah, we're gonna get rid of federal taxes." That's something he mentioned a few times. See,
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, honestly, if you're an entrepreneur, tax season is not a fun time. You're thinking about all the money you goddamn have to pay.
yeah, yeah.
Like I did my taxes one day, or I think it was last year. I made a mistake and put an extra zero. They talking about I had to pay like $3 million in taxes, and I was like, what the fuck? 3 million? 3 M's in taxes? 3 M's in taxes, yo.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah, it is, man. 3 M's in taxes, yo. So I mean, it's like, man, if you're successful making upwards of what is it, 8 to 9 figures? Shit. I mean, it's a good problem to have, but man, I don't want to just pay somebody millions of dollars for what? He wasn't in a what he says, he wasn't in the gym shooting with me. He wasn't with me shooting in the gym. Why the hell I gotta give you 3 M's? For what?
Yeah, you weren't grinding with me.
You wasn't on these charts with me.
But you just want to take half.
Yeah. Bastards. I mean, honestly, like I said this last night, man, shit. In order to survive this economy, you gotta be an oligarch. Well, shit, if I gotta be an oligarch, I want to think like one. I don't want to pay taxes, god damn it. I want to keep all my money. I want to use all the tax loopholes that all the other oligarchs that they use.
Yeah.
Cause shit, like, yeah, you can start getting up in them tax brackets and you paying for hell no. Like shit, I would hate tax season, man. Every damn year. It's like, man, I gotta get us 3 M's. Shit. And then you gotta be better every year. So shit, it's gonna go up every damn year. Just imagine paying 10 million in taxes, yo. Like, oh my God. 10 million in taxes. Yeah, that's fucking crazy. Hell no. I was angry when I thought I lost $80. Shit. That ruined my day. Like shit, that literally ruined my day.
$80.
$80 that I don't need. I thought I lost it though. Shit, I could use it for some. I mean, shit, I could have
That's
gambled
an
it.
eval.
Thought I dropped it out of my pocket, but I didn't. I put it in my other pocket for whatever reason. And I was like, oh, okay. Shit. I ain't trying to bless nobody with no $80. Shit.
That's crazy.
So I can only imagine how I feel. I was like, oh, damn. Pay all this damn money in taxes. Hold on, give me a second. My daughter's screaming and shit. Hey, relax. Relax.
Was it with me shooting in the gym? Was it with me trading in these charts? Was it with me trading in the charts? All right, I'm in this silver long. Hopefully, we go to target. Let me see. Oh yeah, I should be able to. Be able to get that hit. For the pullback, for the win. I wonder how well fibs work on silver.
Have you taken any serious silver trades? I mean, have you actually figured out how it moves and how you can capitalize off of how it moves, etc.?
No, not yet. I need to spend some more time with her, like you said. Get in the sim, spend some time with her. But it looks like when it goes, it be trending like it'll go until the trend breaks and then it reverses. But I do need to take some real time and get to learn her.
Take her out to dinner, wine and diner.
Wine and diner, yep. I'll be too busy stuck on that B and Q and sometimes ES.
Sometimes,
Every
yeah.
once in a blue every once in a blue moon ES.
Mm. Yeah. Okay. So it does look like they're gonna probably see. We're gonna probably see a slight rejection at this level, like I thought we could. But I think we get it. We see just a slight pullback. They probably buy it back up, and then they probably run up to 70. I think 70, 69 is probably where we'll see a rejection on on ES. And dude, oh my god, I'm so freaking mad, man. Like, I'm so. I did not deserve that. Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. 69.50.
Yeah, I am in the silver long though.
Are you?
Just looking for. It's actually just a few ticks, and I'd get $500 if it hits.
Mm.
Silver can be, man. That shit can be dangerous.
You said what?
There's no coming back. It's like gold. There's no coming back. You're on the wrong side. You just need to let it go.
Yeah.
Get them next time.
All right. So we're starting to see that pullback like I kind of thought we would see. And got the 290. But I think, I think the market is trending right now. So, I mean, yeah, we're getting a pullback, but the market is making higher lows and higher highs. So we are trending on the Nasdaq officially. Higher highs and we're higher lows. Get your trend line drawn out and just ride the trend until it ends, baby. Ride the trend until it ends. I mean, we could see a move all the way up to like what is it? 350. We might see 350, 355, 370. I mean, like I said, I highly doubt that we touch all-time highs in the pre-market session. That would be crazy, honestly. If we in the pre-market, no way.
And they used to do stuff like that. You used to could trust in London and stuff to do it,
Mm-hmm.
but not anymore.
Yeah. No way they do that in the pre-market. Yeah, like I said, I mean, we got a previous high at 350. I think we can probably see like a slight rejection back down, probably to 250 from 350, like a 100-point move down. Yeah, because that 245 level has been it's been acting as support and resistance still, and that's all the way back from December 18th. So that 245 level, make sure y'all got that marked out on your chart, because if you had that marked on your chart today, you would have that level came in handy all freaking day today. It came in handy all day. It came in handy at the end of Monday's session. You can see that it broke down at 245. It came back up, use it as a resistance. We got the stop run above it. It came back at 245, touched 320, came back up. And then you can see that right here, this is where the bears finally was able to knock this thing right down, right here at 245. And you got this move down right here from that level. And
Is that where you shorted?
yeah, or I shorted what did I short? I didn't short 245. I shorted 165. I was down here because I missed this short. Because I was in long all day, making money off longs. But I shorted 165 because of the bears or the bulls was using it as support back and forth, and then finally the bears were able to get right back underneath it and short, and I was in this short, and then obviously I got stopped out at the end of the day, and then I just flipped long, full port, rolled it up to 245, and then I went full port short. I was pissed, man.
Casually full port.
Yeah, dude, I really don't know how I became this person. Like, I'm just so comfortable full port now. It's ridiculous. I don't know when I became this person because I would only trade one or two mini contracts, and that felt like a lot to me. Now 5 contracts ain't shit. Like, it's like, yeah, I'm in 5 contracts. If I had a couple of more, I would get into some more. Honestly, 5 contracts feel light.
Light work, baby.
It's light work.
Light work. I'll just have to come back in the morning or something.
You off tomorrow or you going to work?
Nah, what's tomorrow? Wednesday. Nah, I'm off Friday.
Oh yeah, Fridays.
Yeah. But, like I said, one time I stayed a little bit too late because I was in a position. I'm like, this must ain't hit my targets yet. I gotta go. That was funny. I'm like, nah, I'm not going until it hits my targets. And it finally did.
It's like, I'm so glad you was merciful because you was about to be late for work.
I don't care. They wouldn't even notice that. It's like, I don't know. I guess.
Yeah, I mean, if you worked at a government installation, you could, you would, everybody's
Yeah.
just there. They just need warm bodies in a seat. Honestly, I mean, I don't understand how the government operates like that, dude. I really don't. Like in the movies, they make everybody like, oh, we need this. This is happening, blah blah blah. And then in real life, it's like, yeah, I just bought my house in Maui. I'm gonna just rent that out, and I got this yacht, this boat. Everybody just like the older guys just talking about their retirement and the stuff that they bought. It's like that's the real thing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just
Well,
bought
shoot,
my
this
10th property.
this dude that runs the whole thing, he's a civilian, former officer. Now used to be an officer, pilot, and now he's running I think the squadron. I don't know if they got a squadron commander. I haven't seen him.
Mm-hmm.
Or at least he's running this unit that's on the civilian side.
Mm-hmm.
Dude making racks.
Yeah.
Like he's making like over 200 something K a year because he talks and deals with the Pentagon and stuff and everything. And I'm like, dude over here drives a cyber truck. Of course, he's a pilot driving a cyber truck.
Yeah.
I'm like, all right, bro.
Yeah. Once you get up into those them higher levels, you're making about 250 and up. Shit.
Yeah.
If you're the same equivalent as a general, you get an assistant.
Yep. NQ, you know what? Take my $45. Fine. Try sure. I'm up in silver anyway. NQ, you can have that funky $45. I'm up 300 in silver. What? Matter of fact, let me add. Nah. Let me add to this. Actually, what pivot is this? Because it definitely stopped at that one. That's S2. Just pushing to S1 on silver. And if we could break past S1, give me the 33.3. Yeah, give me the 33.3 silver. I tried the short. I'm not gonna lie.
You tried to short silver?
NQ. I took the L. Like you could have that $45.
Oh, you try to short NQ at these highs? Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Like, dude, y'all ain't gonna never see me pull on short out, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yes, I will, but I'm not gonna want to do it.
I will be bitter about it.
I'm not gonna want to do it.
But yeah, stop the blasphemy. You can pull the shorts out. They have their time. You just gotta catch it.
Yeah, catch
Even
it.
though it's, we rarely experience it now, but it'd be so much bliss when you do catch it. For a short amount of time that you're in. But yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Short up. Dump the scam.
Yeah.
I caught the top, baby.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
You up like 150 points, 200.
That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know, bro. That's crazy.
All right. Silver needs a smaller tick range because then if you, yeah, I'm trying to kind of like eliminate all the noise in these candles. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, I just want to get, dude, I'm gonna be a part of this break right here. When they finally break this level, I'm gonna be a part of that shit, goddamn it.
They break below.
When they break that low at 2201, I'm gonna be a part of that shit. Yeah.
Just requires a little bit of patience. That's all. Yeah.
You know, honestly, I should have just kind of paid attention to it. I should have paid attention to it. I should have known that the Bears was not going to break that damn low. I thought they would have, but I should have known that they wouldn't.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Give me the loot. Give me the loot.
What's up, gang? Wait. Yeah, I was thinking about you when you left. I was like, well, shit. Hopefully, I know you put on a trail, but I was like, yeah, that shit ain't going to no 345, not yet. But I wasn't able to get my target neither, so I feel your pain. I got my target after sacrificing the account. So after it blew the account, I was like, well, shit. And then at the end of the day, out of spite, it hits the damn target that I needed. Dude, I had a perfect entry, dude. I mean, having that perfect entry, I should have known it was too good to be true. Perfect entry, halfway there. I just needed 30 more points. And she does this crap right here. And then she does this crap right here. It hits the target at the end of the day. The Nasdaq is the only instrument to do that. Because if anything else had did that to me, you would not ever see me trade them on this stream. If the ES ever did that shit to me, oh, you would never. Shit, don't even talk to me about no motherfucking ES. Don't talk to me about no ES.
Charts is banished.
Vanish. You'll never see that chart on this stream again.
I'm still waiting for you to put up CL.
Nah. She's probably that's gonna probably be the next 10 years, man. 10, 20, 50 years, maybe.
You
Be
got
50.
it, bro. Just wait till we get a oil doom and gloom and an oil boom. You're gonna be wishing you were part of CL then.
Yeah. Well, maybe when it starts doing that, maybe I'll consider it. But it's just like, man, it's been 50 years and I still haven't traded her. I still haven't put a damn limit order on her yet. No. No. After what she did to me? No.
50 years. I remember when CL. I remember when she was $68 a barrel.
Oh, so your trailing stop never triggered, but you added on? Well, shit, if you added on, well, you good now. Shit. Congrats. I'm happy for you. Your success meant my failure. So congrats. I'm happy for you.
Dang. I mean, that's true though. That's how the market works. Somebody's success is going to be somebody's failure on the other side. Somebody, in order for you to get paid, somebody's losing money right now.
Mm-hmm.
Silver, we're gonna see how you gonna play out. She actually hit that pivot, boom, to the T. 280.
Man, come on, Nasdaq. There's no reason why you're floating in midair right now, man. Excuse me. Man. All right. So I'm gonna start making a new rule. I'm gonna start looking at the market, man, but then I'll like, dude, I'll just no, I gotta. This rule is in place for a reason. It's in place for a reason.
What's that?
Don't look at the market until let it set up in the pre-market. And I mean, the first time I look at the market is when I get on the stream with you guys. I'm doing the NA meetings, and that usually takes about. The market closes at 4. I usually get done at like 5, 6, depending on when I start. I get some work done, try to get ahead of work. And because I'm purposely trying to stay away from the charts and let the market set up. But there are days when the market just sets up in the pre-market as soon as it opens, and it's like, shit. Now you gotta be patient. Yeah, I don't think we see a drop at no 320 though.
3K. There's no consistency. I don't got no consistency on these. Let's see how many people's in the competition now. 454. Still got 4 days though. Yeah, who's on there advertising? Because I didn't. The only way I found this out was because of it was an ad on Instagram.
Oh, was it really?
Yeah. Otherwise, I would have never known about this.
Yeah, they need to fire their marketer.
Yeah, I was scrolling through some trading meme content, and then their ad popped up. I was like, "Is this legit?" Oh shoot! Okay.
Yeah, so if this is a 5-day competition, I'll just take a break from all my other accounts and just trade this exclusively.
Yeah, it's probably. Yeah, because I'm down 100K in the trading view competition.
Really?
Actually, I'm down 80 realized, but
Oh,
unrealized in this trade. I'm still in it. I'm still holding, baby.
oh, I was gonna say. Well, hold on. What do you mean realize? How did you realize it?
Well, I had made 22K,
Mm-hmm.
and then now I'm down 100K. Oh,
Oh.
I'm down. Well, yeah, nothing was realized yet, but
I mean, I think you'll get it, man.
yep.
I think you'll get it.
Yeah,
Well,
hopefully. When is the competition? It's not like it's gonna matter because I haven't checked the standings, but that dude was like, "Yeah, I made 3 million. Nobody's gonna catch me."
yeah, dude. I don't even
It's
know
like they
understand how he
stopped.
did that.
Yeah, with the amount of
I'm gonna try to take a view that.
leverage and stuff. Yeah, like 3 mil.
Yeah, like how the hell you do that?
That's what I want to know. Must have been on a trading spree, just
Yeah.
nonstop.
That's why like sometimes I feel like uh I mean the top spots are bots
Mhm.
just to get people to just to give them something to work towards. But because dude, they start you off with 10 contracts, dude. How the hell you making up like dude, how you up 3 mil? And shit.
Yeah, yeah,
If you up 3 mil, what the fuck you doing like I think it will hurt. Like because if you're able to make $3 million in a simulated competition, you better be making 3, 6, 7 mil in real life.
yeah, yeah, for sure.
Because after a while, I was like, dude, if I'm up a quarter, I was like, oh, hold up. I just traded to a quarter of $1 million. Let me actually put some money in my real account and see if I can replicate this. I would actually just stop. Because all that trading, all those good setups, shit, that can be in my account instead of trading for simulated funds. Man, I hate like, dude, man, I don't know what it is about nighttime. Like, dude, my sinuses just kick in at night for whatever reason. But during the day, it's cool. What it is about Texas nights that just flares up my sinuses, man.
You got allergies?
No, it's sinuses for whatever reason. It's like it's not. It's just a weird thing where it's like, okay, I feel good. I'm not sick, but my nose is running and all kind of other stuff because of this sinuses and whatever. Just weird. My daughter does the same thing where her nose stuffs up at nighttime. And I have to listen to her snoring. She's like right there in the bed with me. And I listen to her snore all goddamn night. Get no damn sleep. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is so off topic, but when I was growing up, shit. At least I wasn't sleeping in my mom's room. Nowadays, kids think that their parents' beds is their bed, and that they don't even sleep in their own beds. They sleep in their parents' bed. My daughter will not sleep in her own bed. And then at the same time, her mama probably won't even let her anyway. She'll probably go get her.
Yeah.
But she wouldn't need to get her because she would find her little butt right there in the bed. King size bed, and yet this girl is sprawled all over the place, taking up majority of it. It's like, dude, how does that even make sense? How does that even make damn sense, dude?
Is that a universal thing or what?
Dude, I don't know, man. you're
I'm falling off. I'm on the edge of the bed about to fall.
yo, me too. I got him. Dude, I'm like, dude, I
Bro.
got like a little slice of the bed, and both of them is all sprawled out and shit. Like, what? I'm getting kicked in the face.
Yep. That's gotta be a universal thing.
It
That's
has to.
hilarious. I'm over here in a fetal position, hanging on for dear life. About to fall off the bed. Both of them just boom. Oh man. You get hands, feet in the face.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, yo, I'm like, I'm not gonna stand for this. I
Come
get
get
up
me
and
a
go
new
in
bed.
I go in the other bedroom for me. I'll sneak out once they in that deep REM REM sleep. I'll sneak out. Go in the other bedroom. And they're gonna have the nerve to ask me how was your sleep. Terrible. What you mean? How was yours? I bet it was great.
Yeah, dude. I was like, man, I got your phone. I was like, man, get your ass up, man. Get up. Get up. Shit. I get to sleep in this bed too. So I get to sleep in this bed too, god damn it. Get up.
Oh, you try to, you push them out the way, reposition them. They just gonna find their way right back.
Yeah.
In the
It's like
same.
is daddy a magnet or something? Because y'all want to lay on top of me and make sure that I'm uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Mm.
How was your sleep? Looking like a freaking zombie right now.
Your eyes are wide open. It's like, why are you angry? Why you look like that? I ain't sleep last night. Oh, poor baby. Oh. Okay.
Refreshed and energetic.
Must be nice.
Man, I'm telling you, this girl's running around, jumping around at 5 o'clock this morning.
Oh, wow.
I was like, yo, I mean, luckily I'm already up because I got to get ready to go. But
Mm.
I'm like, yo, nice to see you have all this energy.
Mm.
Oh, yeah, our sleep was good. I bet.
Our daughter wake up at
Maybe
5 o'clock in the morning. She's going in another room and she won't be by herself. Hold on.
I'm over here having PTSD from the NQ.
Hold on real quick.
Oh, silver. You gonna put some respect on my name. 280, huh? 280. Yeah, I'm gonna need you to get to 300 at least. 300. NQ.
Looks like we're getting that small little pullback that we was talking about.
See it, but I'm like,
Yeah, no, it's a pullback for sure, dude. It's not no reversal or nothing. That's definitely a pullback. I just want to get filled so I can go to bed.
oh shoot, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna just let this thing ride on silver. I gave up on NQ. She doing too much.
Mm.
Silver, man. It's tricky. It's tricky. What time was that? That was at 10 o'clock. 0.5%. Yeah, so with these candles, I kind of gotta go by the the percentage because I don't really know what's the big move for silver.
120 was another level on our NA meeting last night on ES. I kind of wish I was paid attention to ES. I probably would have took this. But you
120.
make so much money on the Nasdaq. I just can't. I can't. I just can't.
Yeah, no, I understand. I mean, you catch a good ES move in the daytime. Make some. Well, you do gotta go kind of heavy though.
Yeah, you gotta go super
I
heavy to
don't
make
know
money.
yeah. Get
All right. Let's see.
platinum. Oh yeah, that's right. I lost that $45. That's why. I'm on this starter plus for MFF.
Mhm.
They switched it over now to be like mimic Top Step from what I remember.
I think the starter plus, yeah, it's like very similar to Top Step. Which, like I said, I would prefer having the consistency rule on the funded side to protect myself from myself. I've gotten more payouts with that than on the other side because I get too greedy. I get too greedy.
Wait, so they do got consistency on this? Let me go back and look.
No, on the starter plus, it's the same thing as a top step eval. You got the consistency rule on the eval, and you have the freedom on the funded side. I prefer the freedom on the eval and the consistency on the funded side. So,
Yeah.
and then you gotta pay attention because it doesn't have a daily loss limit either.
Oh, I see.
So if you have a tilt day and you thinking that you're gonna get saved by a daily loss limit, there ain't no daily loss limit to save you.
It says on here on the in the back on the dashboard, it says you got to trade. There's no pass in a day on the starter pluses.
No, you got a 50% consistency rule, I think. You
Oh
gotta
yeah, that's right. Yeah, so you have to do half and half. Yeah. Never mind. At least 2 days. All right. Well, I understand it now. I know what I gotta go for.
I mean,
And
that's why I love it in the funded side. I don't need it on the eval side. I need that in the funded side.
yeah. I guess you can enforce it yourself.
I ain't enforcing shit. It's like, man, I'm gonna stay in this straight. I need something that's hard coded. And it's like, all right, well, all right.
Too funny.
Gives me a nice little goal to get to. All right, so I gotta make $700 a day. That's cool. I can do that. Shit, but when there's no
Yeah.
rules, it's like shit. Probabilities are endless. I can make 2K, 3K, 5K.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. Congratulations on that, N. Wilson. Yeah, I think that's the best way to do it, man. Consistently building your capital over time because you don't learn nothing when you catch windfall trades. No disrespect to nobody, but you don't learn anything. You don't get that confidence when you catch windfall trades. But when you're getting consistent gains every day, that's what builds your confidence. That's what allows you to see the market. And when you get into the funded side, if you just keep that same mindset and you keep that same strategy over time, you're going to get a payout. You'll get multiple payouts
Yeah.
because, all right, go ahead.
Nope. I'm just agreeing.
Yeah, because we all know how emotional it gets when it gets to the funded side. And that's when the overthinking starts. that's when how do you know? Like, why are you getting in here? How do you know this is going to work? You begin to question your analysis. You begin to question this and question that, especially if you're an inexperienced trader or an emotional trader. When you get into the funded side, them emotions going to get you. But if you got a proven strategy that got you to the dance and you keep that same partner, well, you'll get to the finish line. You'll become prom queen and king. You'll get there.
Yeah.
Carlos, I don't copy trade. I don't ever. Well, I mean, or Smith does. Smith does.
I used to. I used to. I kind of chilled out on that. I'll probably get back to it in the future, though. Real talk.
Yeah, four porting will get you. Yeah, it's gonna get you. I mean, I full port because I'm comfortable. 5, 4, or 3 to 5 mini contracts is very comfortable to me. I wouldn't full port no 15 contracts. I would do that on the ES, but not the Nasdaq. The only reason I'll do it on the Nasdaq is if I have a big account, like on Apex or something. Yeah, you'll probably see a full port there. I've already put on 35 mini contracts already.
300K.
Uh-huh.
You still got that one? How's that one doing?
Oh no, I passed those. I'll activate them next month.
Oh, okay. 35 contracts.
Mm-hmm. Shit, I don't know if yeah, you probably don't know. Yeah, so Apex was trying, well, I don't know what's going on with Apex system because I should have failed those accounts, or I should have failed that one account. But they let a losing, so I was in a trade. I thought that Apex did the auto close. Maybe they don't. Maybe that was just me assuming that they did. So I left the trade on. It was positive, but it didn't close. That was a day where it pumped up and then it super dropped. Dude, I was down 4K. 4K plus whatever amount of money that it pumped up before it dropped. So you know how to get that shit back. You know it got ugly. You know we went full, well, not full pour, but we went heavy. So I was just so pissed because it was like, dude, how the hell you let me carry over a losing trade to the next session, but let this probably been a winning trade? I don't know how y'all would have reacted, but yeah, that sent me
Yeah,
on
I'm
tilt. So
surprised.
easy. What? Go ahead.
It didn't they got a trail and drawdown. So if it goes up and you give all that back plus
Yeah. So I was down 4K, but I was probably close to getting that account blown. And I was up about so I was up 16,000 in that account. So that kind of just rubbed me the wrong way because I was like, dude, how I come back and I'm down the amount of money I need to pass the account. Man, I was like, man, nah, we passing this account. We passing that shit. And I passed it, and Apex, that was like, all right, we tried to get you, but you won. So we'll let you have it. Shit. We'll let you have it.
this time. Do that in the PA and see
Yeah.
what happens.
Yeah, the PA account, yeah. Oh yeah, we detected that you carried a trade over to the next session. Our system detected. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably end the stream in like in the next 10 minutes. We'll see. I just kind of want to see this pullback. I'm just gonna go to bed. Just prepare for them. I'll probably leave this. I got $900 to of drawdown. I'll just use that just in case I'm wrong here. Probably not though, but
Going for that long at 247.
yeah, trying to front run that 245 level a little bit. I mean, if we can get like a nice clean drop and get close, I mean, shit, I'll get in because the Nasdaq's been missing my targets and my fills.
Yeah, good old Nasdaq.
I mean, honestly, okay, so this is what I'm seeing, man. Either they drop it and we see a move back up, or which I would hate for it to happen. Because based on how this trend line is angled, either the Nasdaq rise this thing up, or we can see a drop, man. Based on how it's angled, it's not enough room for bulls to make mistakes here. So you're trading with Apex, Carlos? Yeah. I see a lot of people implement that strategy, making like $200 a day across 20 accounts and getting paid out that way. I feel like Apex is probably like the only, well, anyone that allows you, any prop firm that allows you to have multiple accounts, like 20, 10 to 20. And then I'll start copy trading then, because that's a lot of accounts to manage. You might as well just do it all in one go.
All or nothing, baby.
Yeah, that's a lot, dude. 20 accounts? Yeah, I'll copy trade all that. But like 3 or 5, nah, I'm not copy trading that. Shit with the Nasdaq requires sacrifice. She got her sacrifice today. And like, dude, I'm still thinking like, dude, how the hell did she do that? Like, dude, we was trading immaculately for the last week. Today, I really don't know where I went wrong at today. I really don't. And maybe I didn't take profits. I think that's probably what it is. I didn't take the profits, and then it came crashing down. And I just kept getting stopped out with heavy size. And then she pulled this crap. Like, I still don't know why they didn't come back in. I mean, I could understand if they came at 224 and dropped it. I get it. We got that little swing right there. But I'm surprised they didn't come back and rebalance 245, then drop, then made a move up. Because it's like, well, why? Why didn't you do it? Why did y'all feel the need to break structure to the downside just to fail and go to 245 anyway? Like, what was the point of that?
Lots of unanswered questions.
Yeah, like that made like I mean, they could have did the same thing. Like, they could have just did this, went down, and did this. It like, but then they chose not to. The Bears were so aggressive. Rainbow Bears was so freaking aggressive here, man. They were so aggressive. And then they just quit right here. Look how they quit. Look how they quit right there. It's like, well, shit. We're giving up now. He was super aggressive.
That's how it is, man. They'll be aggressive until they're not. And you're like, oh, damn.
Yeah, I know, right?
You got to make a decision. But you know, you in a short, you're going to be stubborn.
You know you're gonna be stubborn. They hit my target yet, damn it. It didn't hit my target. Damn it.
Yep.
And shit, my target, like, dude, I had a very conservative target right here. I think I had it at 288. Very conservative. A nice area for them to come back and bounce it. Right here. But no. No. They decided to be rainbow and just say, yeah, we give up now. We're not going to push our luck past this level, so let's just move up. But this level does not hold for sure the next time it touches it. There is no way. There is no way this level holds the next time. No way it holds. Yeah, I think that's probably like the best thing, Carlos. Just planning out how you're gonna do it. I mean, we talked about this last night. If you come into the market without a plan, well, it'll become liquidity. You plan on becoming liquidity, then you gotta have a plan, man. You gotta know what the market's plan is. You gotta understand what the market's objective is, and you gotta build your plan around it. If you don't do those things, unfortunately, there's always room to become a liquidity donation. I like to donate this liquidity in the market.
It's for you.
Like people that trade their personal accounts in the futures market, man, I don't want to even imagine if this happened to the money that I earned. What happened today? Happened in a personal account. Oh man, I would have been pissed. I probably wouldn't even start the stream up. No, I would have, but I would have been highly pissed. Highly pissed.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, let me just put this stop here and I'm gonna go to bed.
All right, bro.
Oh, markets.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go to bed after this.
Yeah, 'cause this is crazy. Especially for silver.
Hey, what's up, Toxic FX? Yeah, I mean we're green overall, but an account did get sacrificed this morning against its will. Against its will, it got sacrificed. Oh shit, we were just in a gold long. Good thing we took some profits on that. We was just in a gold long. Oh, we just got out of our gold long. It says it should push silver. Yeah, I think Smithy, you're in the silver trade right now, right?
What a coincidence. I am in a silver long.
Mm-hmm.
JP wants
How do
3K. Yep. I told Sherman, I'm like, yeah, this man's gonna push to 3K. It's just a matter of time. I don't know what they waiting on, but
They're waiting on our
Elon
word.
doing his, Elon doing his gold audit, and it's gone. There's no gold in Fort Knox. I sent you that article, or I don't know if it was an article or a video or something.
Mm-hmm.
Some random somebody's buying up a lot of gold.
Are they?
Some hidden figure. Oh, some entity, I should say. They're thinking it's the Fed.
The Fed secretly buying gold.
Pow.
Wouldn't that be ironic, huh?
Putting
Wouldn't
it on
that
their
be
balance
ironic?
sheet. Oh, Trump spoke at 8 o'clock. Talking about I didn't shake the markets. I didn't do anything to the markets actually. Saying Q. Let's see if it did something. Well, yep, I'm gonna sit tight because silver right now is like watching paint dry.
Hmm.
But I got my stop, and I'll just live with it, whatever happens.
Yeah. Mhm. But all right, guys. I guess we'll just end it here. Y'all see where I got my limit at. I do think that we do see a pullback. Hopefully, I can get filled and not stopped out. But I mean, if I get stopped out, well, I guess it gives us something to do tomorrow. But I think I got a good area. This is probably a good area to get back in to try to catch this trend. I would highly doubt that this thing would stop and reverse from nowhere, especially with these quitter weak bulls or bears. I mean, they ain't got no power for real. So
Yeah.
SB 400, huh? But all right, guys, we'll come back tomorrow morning, and we definitely will earn more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.
Later.